Hello and welcome to a series of videos to accompany Meyer Sound MAPP 3D assignment number 5. This is for students of the Speaker Systems Design and Optimization course at New England School of Communications at Husson University. And these videos will help you, as well as these on-paper instructions here, these virtual instructions here, will help you go through the assignment. Let's dive in. In this particular assignment, you will place and optimize front fills in a virtual Gracie theater. You will also connect and use Compass, Meyer's loudspeaker processor control software, to aid in the creation of equal level, equal time seams. There's going to be a bunch of videos here, and definitely want to use them. And do note that Meyer MAPP continues to be buggy and kind of crashes frequently, so it's good to save regularly and save as different versions so you can go backwards when you have a problem. Also note that these particular instructions are made, this is the fall of 2024, and the software will continue to change, and so if there's anything different in your version of the software, forgive me and give me a call if you need help. But let's look through here, and what else do I need to mention? Yes, so you're going to be starting with a particular file, this one here, and you can find it in Canvas, and if I remember, I will post it in YouTube as well as a YouTube link, so people out there in the inner world, the internet, can download it and use it. But this particular file is the Gracie Theater already built. Students, don't use the version that you built yourself. If you use this, everything will look the same as the video and instructions, so you might as well use this one. Other things to note, leave gen level up here in the upper left set to 0 dB, so your colors will look the same as my instructions in video. The other thing they'll do is don't go into project settings and change anything. You can just leave it the way it is and leave the colors in the SBL exactly the same. And then everything will look similar, hopefully, to this video when you go through the steps. What else? Definitely, I already mentioned saving, and what I mean by save is a different version. This right here, this is the Gracie start file. I might have a different name by the time you get to it, but this is the start file that you're going to work with. You're going to want to save it right away, save project as, and I'm going to make a folder here for video. These are my 4 video versions, but you're going to want to save it. What you're going to save it for the assignment is MAPP5 your name .01 is where you're going to start, and I would recommend you save it frequently. We'll start with 01 there. And of course, my name is Eric, and Fergie Eric. Here we go. And save it regularly with different version numbers because MAPP is very unstable. What else? I think that's it. Oh yeah, view presets. If you're not already, this whole program, this particular lab assumes you've already used MAPP a few times before. So if you haven't used MAPP, go back into the earlier assignments before you tackle this one. This one's a little bit more complicated. And view presets, I do talk about this in my other videos. These up here are your view presets, and I use them pretty regularly. I use this first one for the isometric view. In fact, it's isometric view number 1, just zoomed in a little bit. This is a side view. I believe it's the left side view of the theater, and this is the top down. If you want to set these up, it's really simple. For example, say you mess this all up. Woohoo, it's all messed up. If you want to get back to top down view, up here over in the upper left, we're going to find top view. Oh, that's left view. I clicked on the wrong one. Top view number 1. Of course, there's a whole bunch of them here. Top view number 1, that's the view I was just in. And so whatever you leave it at when you click away and you click back to it, that will be what's stored. So you can quickly set this one up as isometric view number 1. And of course, if you want to zoom in or whatever, it'll leave it that way. This one, save it up, start as left view, and this one, start as top down view. Anything else? Oh yeah, ways to speed up your predictions once you get into MAPP. It's really important, and I'll do this, to keep your layers as organized as possible so you can hide things you don't need. For example, we don't need the stage that's in this file, so I am turning off the stage. So hide any planes you don't need, and the really big one, and of course put your items in different layers as you can. So, example here, we've got the house PA. Oops, that's already messed up, isn't it? Look, yeah, both sides of the PA are on the same layer here. That's supposed to be changed. This one here should be on the house right layer, and it's not. Oops, but we can deal with that later. But the most important thing is lock your layers, your prediction planes. That will actually speed map up considerably when you're predicting. All right. So I think we're ready to dive in. I'm just going to stop right here and make this first video short, and the second video will dive right in to the first steps of the assignment. Okay, I'll see you in a second on the other video. Bye-bye.